securely share your health data with a loved one or doctor? Here's how to do it in iOS 18. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Open the Health app on your iPhone and tap on the Sharing tab at the bottom. Tap Share with someone, then choose a contact from your list or manually enter their information. If the person is using an iPhone, they'll receive a request to view your shared data. You can choose exactly what data to share, like heart rate, sleep, steps, and more. Toggle on the categories you want, then tap Next and review your selection. Tap Share to confirm. Your data will now be securely shared and visible to the person you selected under the Health app's Sharing tab. That's it. You've now shared your health data on iOS 18. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.